Today, Michelle and I are going to take you to our local favourite Thai restaurant. We're only here for a short while, but this place is wonderful. The lady who cooks, I'm going to ask her if I can actually film while we're there. It's just simple, plain Thai food, but it is superb and delicious. Don't you think?
Oh, it's great.
It's our favourite, yeah? And ever so cheap, or reasonable, should I say. Don't say to people it's cheap.
No.
It's reasonable and fair. Butter?
Yeah, butter a little bit. Top.
Top.
And egg.ข้าวผัดไหมข้าวผัด
ข้าวผัด
Have rice, have vegetable.
chili, vegetable.
No chili.
No?
Vegetable. Vegetable.
What's
and
this here?
onion. Onion.
And this?
อันนี้ tomato.
Ah, tomato. Uh-huh.
อันนี้ soy sauce. Sugar. This Ajinomoto.
Salt.
Soy sauce a little bit. อันนี้ oyster sauce.
Oh, beautiful.
Finish. ข้าวผัดหมู
Finish, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
ข้าวผัดหมูข้าวดาวไข่ดาว
หมูไข่ดาว
ไข่ดาว
อันนี้แตงกวา
Oh, beautiful. Oil.
ออยล์ปาล์มออยล์
อ่าฮะ
ปาล์มออยล์
Yep.
อันนี้ curry
Curry.
yeah
Red curry paste.
yeah chicken
Chicken.
coconut
Oh, coconut, sorry. Coconut cream.
milk
Coconut milk.
yeah
Soup.
ต้องน้ำต้อง
แล้วก็อันนี้ lemon leaf
Lemon leaf.
and chili
Chili.
อันนี้ soy sauce
Soy sauce.
2
2.
1 sugar
Sugar.
yeah Ajinomoto
Salt.
finish
Beautiful.
ปลาเขียวหน้าใส่ไหม
ไม่ต้องใส่
Thai basil.
yeah basil
Thai basil. Lovely, the flavor. Smells so good, huh?
okay okay
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous.
หน้ากระดาษทิชชู่
quick
Thank you. Come on, Cap.
ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
So we have the rice. It's beautiful. Panang Curry. And Michelle's Khao Phat Mu Khai Dao. This is fried rice with pork and a fried egg. It's good, yeah? This is my favourite dish. in Thailand at the moment. It's the Panang red curry. I'm having it here in Pattaya, but the lady here cooks such a good Panang red curry. Michelle's got she's got the khao bak moo with the kai dao, the fried egg. I've got my curry. The flavors, let me just come in here. The flavors, they're just so delicious. Not a bite to go by, but oh, that is everything. Everything good about Thailand. You've got the Thai basil. You've got those lovely rich coconut flavors. Lots of chili, lots of spice. I absolutely love this dish. Highly recommend it. I'll put the details down below where exactly, sorry, I should be looking into the camera. I'll put the details down below where exactly this restaurant is. You should check it out. Super reasonable. 70 baht for the Panang curry and 50 baht for the khao bak moo. Scratch that, Michelle's reminded me, with the fried egg on top, it's 60 baht, so it's about $3 Australian. It is so reasonable. That's so good. Now while I'm eating, the lady's just come out to say to me that she doesn't use fish sauce in this dish. She uses a light soy sauce. 100% this doesn't need it. So she was particular about telling me there's not fish sauce in either of these two dishes. She does serve chili fish sauce condiment on the side if you want to use it. Now a lot of the Thai dishes I've made in the past do have fish sauce in them. We love the food in this place. Michelle and I come here almost every day that we've been here in Thailand. And yeah, her little secret, she doesn't use fish sauce, she uses a really good quality Chinese soy sauce. So I consider ourselves pretty lucky today to come here and get a master class from a street cook here in Pattaya, or Pattaya, Thailand. And if you follow those instructions carefully, you're going to be able to taste what we have had here on the street, cook it at home yourself. Let me know if you do, comment down below, tell me if you make these exact dishes. I dare you to make it, and I dare you to say it's anything less than delicious. Aren't they lovely? A lovely couple. Really good food. It's just down here, not far from the market on Soi Buakhao. I'll put the address down, but if you're ever here in Thailand, particularly in Pattaya, check them out. The food is great, and the couple, they're just every day, they've been lovely. It's a warm one again today, Michelle.
Yeah, keep it in the shade.
Keeping in the shade. Coming down this little market store that runs down to our cafe. Sells all these sort of cool swimwear, clothing, very small sizes. Won't fit me.
No, it won't fit me.
Tiny sizes. But the ladies are always sweet. This here is Soi Buakhao. This is the main road, so the eatery. What is it next to? Walk-in, right opposite walk-in mansion. And there's a little food hall, all of which are great. That just happens to be our favourite restaurant. Now they don't do a dessert.
No.
They don't do anything sweet. But if you're lucky and you're patient, the coconut ice cream lady will come past with her store, or maybe the banana pancake store come by, and they don't mind you ordering off the stores and eating it there straight after. So many a time we've enjoyed coconut ice cream after we've had that lovely spicy Thai food. Honestly, wish you were here. I'm glad we are. We are leaving very soon, but it was nice to come back to Thailand and get those lovely rich flavours of the Thai cooking. It's been superb. Anyway, we'll see you shortly in China. Be good, my old China. See you next time. Thank you. Beautiful.